Our top story tonight, Texas is once again at the forefront of the immigration debate.
Tonight, the White House is slamming a new state law. It allows local police to arrest migrants who cross the border illegally. And look at this video from Eagle Pass today. Authorities say an estimated 10,000 people arriving just within the past 24 hours. And this is one day after the Texas governor signed this new bill into law.
Governor Abbott claims the law is meant to prevent the migrant surge, but critics argue it promotes racial profiling by allowing police to stop, arrest, and jail migrants. KENS 5 reporter Hannah Tita is following reaction for us. Hannah?
Well, tonight, El Paso County is joining civil rights groups suing the state of Texas. That lawsuit filed in Austin today claims that SB 4 violates the constitutional rights of American citizens as well as migrants, and that it assumes the authority of the federal government.
This law won't work.
Gerardo Menchaca is an immigration attorney in San Antonio. He calls Senate Bill 4 a power grab.
This new law is an attempt by the state of Texas to wrestle authority over immigration law from the federal government.
On Monday, Governor Greg Abbott signed new legislation allowing local law enforcement to arrest migrants suspected of illegally crossing the southern border.
The goal of Senate Bill 4 is to stop the tidal wave of illegal entry into Texas.
The law also allows local judges to order deportations.
Mexico is not required to accept anyone that Texas deports.
Lydia Guzman is with the League of United Latin American Citizens.
This new law will open the door to racial profiling to Texans that look like me, that sound like me, that have my last name.
And it could happen anywhere in Texas, not just the border. Guzman says it's a violation of civil rights and human rights.
Law enforcement officers in the streets do not have the federal training to recognize the different immigration identifications that give people the authorizations to be here legally.
Civil rights groups and El Paso County are now suing Texas. Menchaca expects the U.S. Department of Justice to sue next.
So I don't expect that this law is going to be around for much longer.
And tonight, San Antonio police tell us they will comply with the law, but they tell us, quote, they're not expecting to make any substantive changes to their policies or practices. BCSO also doesn't plan to make any changes to their practices. A spokesperson said there are rules governing racial profiling, and they made it clear, quote, victims or witnesses of crimes can always call upon BCSO for help, regardless of their immigration status. Reporting live north of downtown tonight, Hannah Tita, KENS 5.